Hello everyone. Today I will start trading from $1. I'll just use the Alligator indicator. I will go to the Alligator settings to change the settings, but today this indicator will also help me if there's a strong bottom or top across the lines. Here we see that the Alligator lines are crossed and the market is in a downtrend. Here we also have a strong bottom below, but I will wait for it until the candle reaches the bottom. Trade closed successfully. I have $1.92. You can see the bottom on the line I placed. Here we have a very strong bottom, so I will take a $1.92 trade. Trade closed successfully. I have $3.69. After the collision at the bottom, the market turned to the top. You can see the previous trading of the same market. In the last seconds of a profit trade, that's good. You can also see the Alligator indicator crossed and we have no tops or bottoms in the market, so this is a good sign that the market is going downward. Trade closed successfully. My balance is now $13.52. Here, we also have a cross in the Alligator indicator, and we also have a doji candle, which is evidence of a market reversal. The trade was closed successfully. I now have $25.96 and we are still in progress. Here also we have a cross in the Alligator indicator and we have a doji candle. As I said earlier that the doji candle is a market reversal. If it is at the bottom, then this is an indication that the market will go up, and if it is above, this is a sign that the market will go down. I have $49.84. Here you can see the Alligator indicator crossed to the bottom in blue at the bottom, and if we see the candles have retracement tails, then the market has resistance, and this means that the price will fall. Trades closed successfully. My balance is now $95.69. Here we have a resistance area, so the price will go back up. Now we also have a doji candle and a resistance area, which confirms that the market is to the upside. The trade closed successfully and now my balance is $183.72 and I'm still making progress. Here also how much we had in the past in the Alligator indicator, and we also have a doji candle. I said previously that the doji candle is evidence of a price reversal. great achievement. My balance is now $352.74 and I'm still making progress. Here we have a top. I will draw a line on the top because it is very strong, and the price will reverse to the bottom. Trade closed successfully. My balance is now $677.26. Here we also have a crossover for the alligator indicator to the upside, but we also have a strong top that will be a bounce for the candle. The summit is not far. Maybe we'll lose the trade. Boom, I won the trade in the last seconds. My balance now is $1,300.34. Also here you can see the doji candle and a cross of the alligator indicator, and we have a strong top and we had a retest of the doji candle. My balance is now $2,220.34. I will continue to advance. Here we have a long red candle, which means that after the strength of the downside, the price will return to higher, and we have a cross in the alligator indicator, and if you see the long red candle, it reached the bottom and closed on the borders of the bottom, and the price returned to higher. Trade closed successfully. My balance is now $3,140.34. Here we have a bottom, and this gives a signal that the candle will be retracement, so I advise everyone to memorize the markets. How do they work for correct trading? Indicators help you, but also candles help you. Trades closed successfully and my balance is now $5,900.34, a great achievement. Here you can see the candle after breaking through the bottom. We have a retest, and the other candle will be green. And then you will know if the penetration was false or real, and for this I got my trades higher. My balance now is $10,500.34. Good day. We will continue to progress and achieve. We started from $1 and now we have $10,500.34. Here we have a cross in the alligator indicator in the downward direction, so I got trades with all the balance I have, and this will be the last trade and we will see how these trades will close. Close to a great achievement. When trades close from $1 I started trading unbelievable. I achieved the greatest achievement from $1 to $19,700.